You are welcome to the chemistry class. Today's topic we'll be discussing strength of acid. Strength of acid. This simply means the degree of the dissolution or acid ionization in water. The extent at which acid ionizes in water. The degree at which the acid, when you put it in water, dissociates into its ions. In this, we have two types of acid categories in this strength of acid. One is strong acid. Strong acid. Two is weak acid. Weak acid. Strong acid is an acid that dissociates or ionizes completely in water. If we put strong acid in water, that acid will completely dissociate, break down in water. Examples of strong acid are the following. One, examples of strong acid. One, HCl, hydrochloric acid. When you put HCl in water, HCl dissociates completely in water. The degree of the hydrogen ion produced by an acid in water is called the strength of that acid. Those acids, as they ionize in water, produce much hydrogen ion in the water, is said to be strong acid. Another example here is HNO3. In water, it dissociates completely hydrogen ion plus nitric ion. Number 3 is H2SO4. H2SO4. In water, it dissociates 2 plus SO4, 2 minus. So, total dissociation of this acid make it to be strong acid. The second one is the weak acid. When do we say that acid is weak? When we say that acid is weak, we simply mean that it does not produce enough hydrogen ion concentration when in water. It does not decompose completely in water. It does not ionize or break down completely in water. Such acid is said to be weak acid. Examples of weak acid here. Example here is 1. CH3COOH. This is called ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. When you put it in water, when you put CH3 in water, see how it dissociates like this. Hydrogen ion concentration, this is hydrogen ion it produces. So some hydrogen are also attached at the ethanoic ion. It means there is incomplete dissociation of hydrogen ion from this. So it says weak acid. Phosphate. In water, it dissociates like this. Another example of weak acid is this. H2CO3. Does not dissociate completely in water. What we have discussed now are the following. We have be able to define the strength of an acid. The strength of an acid simply means the amount of hydrogen ion produced by an acid in water when it ionizes. There are two types. Based on this, we can classify acid into two types. One, strong acid and weak acid. The strong acid are those that when they are in water, they ionize completely. Weak acid are those acids that do not ionize completely when they are in water. Examples of this acid, the strong acid, examples HCl, HNO3, and H2SO4. The weak acid, we have example, ethanoic acid, hydrogen tetraoxophosphate, hydrogen trioxocarbonate. These are weak acids. Thank you. Share, follow, like, subscribe. Thank you.